How will hemp building materials achieve wider acceptance? Of the four presenters, only two provided their packs. Again, where appropriate, I've added their logos and any information pertaining to the presenters with website addresses. Sergei Pavlenikov is something of a legend in industrial hemp in Europe. His emotional speech about the devastation to people and homes in Ukraine was confronting. He's a champion for using hemp for housing and contends that by doing so, hemp overcomes issues in construction by providing better quality materials that are healthier. Hemp addresses carbon emissions, solves housing shortages, as well as corporate greed. He is well known for educating children in the UK, USA, Ukraine, and other countries. This image shows an example of a bombed house and rebuilt using hempcrete. This is a yoga studio made of concrete but retrofitted with hempcrete internally. He uses hempcrete extensively within buildings for insulation and acoustic benefits, and has encouraged everyone to go beyond the usual and build something different, unique. These are further examples of repurposing and design at scale. I've included this page if you are interested in supporting the Ukrainian Hemp Building Association. Liam Donoghue is from the Technical University of Dublin and was a great guy, and even with an Irish accent was relatively easy to understand. He also works for UK Hempcrete. He spoke of the known issues in the construction industry being product availability and lack of awareness of alternatives, skill shortages, cost and ability to compare like for like, knowing the value of options and the poor alternatives known in the trade. Their organisation offers 4 companies that address the net zero reusable bio-based markets, retrofit services and consultancy, design and training. On this slide, Liam has provided some examples of domestic and commercial builds as well as retrofits. The figures are only relative to the markets in the UK, however. This is an interesting slide that shows the pipeline of work for UK Hempcrete based on metre square sizing. UK Hempcrete identifies as setting industry standards, providing key performance indicators for revenue growth and technical sale support. The operational process map and customer journey is explained in these 2 diagrams. It's a good reference as a model for their business and for others. Retrofit Right are part of UK Hempcrete, different because they specialise in traditional buildings to balance heritage value and sustainability. Now, Daniel Mack from Kingspan did not provide his presentation pack, but I can tell you that he is the Divisional R&D Manager for Kingspan Insulation and responsible for the development of all bio-based materials as well as PIR and vacuum insulation products. The news release focused on how Kingspan are decarbonising the built environment with Hemp Core, an 80% hemp and jute blend product. The jute actually comes from jute recycled bags. The insulation hemp boards are suitable for timber frame construction, pitched roofs and partition walls and can be used in both renovation and new construction projects. The product features are applicable to the EU codes but may be of interest to our building group.